Firefighters were battling Japan's worst wildfire in half a century, which has left one dead and forced the evacuation of nearly 4,000 local residents. White smoke billowed from a forested area around the northern city of Ofunato, aerial TV footage showed, 5 days after the blaze began after a record low rainfall. The fire also follows Japan's hottest summer on record last year, as climate change pushes up temperatures worldwide. As of Tuesday morning, the wildfire had engulfed around 2,600 hectares, the Fire and Disaster Management Agency said, over 7 times the area of New York's Central Park. That makes it Japan's largest wildfire since 1975, when 2,700 hectares burnt in Kushiro on northern Hokkaido Island. It is estimated to have damaged at least 80 buildings by Sunday, although details were still being assessed, the agency said. Military and fire department helicopters are trying to douse the Ofunato fire, but it is still spreading, a city official told reporters. Around 2,000 firefighters, most deployed from other parts of the country, including Tokyo, are working from the air and ground in the area in Iwate region, which was hard hit by a deadly tsunami in 2011. An evacuation advisory has been issued to around 4,600 people, of whom 3,939 have left their homes to seek shelter, according to the municipality. The number of wildfires in Japan has declined since its 1970s peak, but the country saw about 1,300 in 2023, concentrated in February to April when the air dries and winds pick up. Ofunato had just 2.5 millimeters of rainfall in February, breaking the previous record low for the month of 4.4 millimeters in 1967 and below the usual average of 41 millimeters. Since Friday, there has been no rain, or very little, if any, in Ofunato, a local weather agency official told AFP. But on Wednesday, it may rain or snow, he said. Some types of extreme weather have a well-established link with climate change, such as heat waves or heavy rainfall. Other phenomena like droughts, snowstorms, tropical storms, and forest fires can result from a combination of complex factors. Kranti, Daily Sun.